Well, it's kind of like not snowing, but there's snow on the ground.
We got a snow day today.
Yeah.
But it's kind of a sad day.
Yeah, it is a sad day. Dude, Kia, that's like water. Bitch.
Love you.
Alright, you want to see the snow? See, there's snow all over the little house. You want to see some snow? Oh god, I don't have clothes on. This is going to be cold as crap. See the snow? Kabam! This is like a dirt pile over here. I don't even know what it is. It's like rocks. We were going to go jump in it, but then we are like, oh, it's kind of rocks. Jump, Kia, jump! Fall on your face. Kia, if you fall, I will laugh.
I already fell today.
Yeah, Kia fell down the stairs in the house region. So,
My hair!
oh, boo-hoo. My hair's up, so I probably look bald right now, but it's like up here. I can feel it. Yeah, snow, 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 snow. This is like water. You see that? It's like water. Okay. So we sledded earlier too, and then we like ran off the side of the road. It was like kabam, and then we ended like this puddle of water. It was pretty great.
This hand is...
This hand is cold too.
It's like... Look at it. Okay, oh. Alright.
Alright, peace.